We go live on Kick now. And then we'll post our YouTube videos like normal. Are we seriously about to get this market open set up that I don't like taking? We created equal lows. Those are getting smacked. Those are getting smacked. How's everybody's weekend? Sounds good, Mr. T-Long. What up, Yas? My stress ball's like frozen. There you go, Pluto. It's like 30 degrees in Florida. Alright, the live stream's working. Guys, remember you got your copy traders, everything on, correct position size. Make sure you have the right chart. Oh, whoa! What did I say? Oh my god. Market rippy. What? Already? What are we doing? Come on! Oh. They love doing it to me. What did I say? Market ripper. Market open ripper. We didn't even come into the 15-minute fair value gap, though. And we created equal lows there. That's pretty crazy still. That was nuts. How many points was that? One candle. 100-point candle. Wow. Wow. 100-point candle. We still have equal lows. So I'm going to keep that in mind for now. I told you, market ripper, dude. It's always going to have those 15-minute fair value gaps, that 5-minute low. But we didn't even take out the 5-minute low. ES might want to. Oh, wait. Did ES already take it? ES did take it. Look. I think ES took it. ES did take it. No, it didn't. Am I tweaking here? I gotta move this line. No, we created equal lows. We created equal lows. We have equal lows below. Look at NASDAQ pumping. Pumping. Oh, we got craziness happening today already. My main draw today, if we were bullish, is this 4-hour high. That's what I wanted. But we'll see if we get something. That's a crazy move off market open, so. And we still have equal lows now. Seven p.m. 7 p.m. What I am going to keep in mind, though, do have equal lows, though. 50-minute low, 50-minute low, hourly low. Hourly for value gaps. I'm just gonna chill right now and see what happens. I might just end up waiting for news to drop. I want to see if ES comes out and takes out this hourly high, or if we form a 5-minute SMT off of it. Because we still have those equal lows. I really don't want to long until those are taken. Yeah, we got some highs that we could target on the for the 4-hour time frame. That's what I was looking at before market open. Listen, if it pumps and we don't get a setup, fine with sitting. That's part of trading. Because there wouldn't have been a setup anyway for me to take. But we'll see if we can get something. But if we're just going to pump like this, yeah. All right, we took it. We could target this 4-hour high up here too. Well, this is fun. We'll see what it looks like after news drop. We still got some time till news drop. I don't like those equal lows just sitting there, man. I really don't. I'm just gonna put these two like this. I'm just gonna stay patient right now. You know what gets to look good though now? We have a totally reset chart. Guys, I went back and looked at my September month. My September month was worse than my January month. We just had half of the accounts. But now we just get to start off with this. So this disappears. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw it. Mine looks way better. Yeah. No, but my September month, I had a 35% win rate this September. In January, I had a 37% win rate for the month. It's just I have more accounts. That's why the number looks bigger. Dude, my contacts keep getting so dry today. If I look like I'm tweaking out, it's my contacts. Wing Wong spiked my coffee. I think I'm going to wait for news, guys. At 20 minutes still. I really want to... I'm not so worried about reacting off of these hourly lows because we came down and we swept out these 4-hour lows. We're getting a reaction off of that. We're going to inverse this 4-hour. I'd like to take out a 4-hour draw on liquidity, which is up here. And we still have room. We still have 207 points. But I at least want a 5-minute retrace. At least. And we have equal lows, which is scary. No, yeah, no, that was on fake accounts. That was on evals. That's another reason why I'm going private right now, guys, because I just want to focus. After having a rough month, I just want to focus because so many people talk shit on YouTube. It's annoying, like, especially on my YouTube shorts. They say the dumbest shit. And then we get people in here sometimes that just join, and then they see me lose a trade, and they leave. Like, trading is hard in general. Having to trade in front of people makes it a little harder, to be honest. People always got something to say. And you take the Lambo. Yeah, for real. And then I'm going to buy each one of you guys a Lambo for not giving up on me. See if we can get a 5-minute retrace up in here. Formed another 5-minute fair value gap. I always like to come into the first presented. And we still have this 15-minute fair value gap below that didn't even get touched into with equal lows. So what are you trying to do here? You trying to hit me with the trickster? I'm going to delete this hourly. This NASDAQ already took out this one. The next draw, too, for ES is this 4-hour high because, again, ES already took out this hourly draw. Right? This hourly draw is at Friday the 30th at January 2026. At what time? 2 p.m. It's down here. ES already took out this hourly high. So if ES takes this hourly high out, I would expect the next draw to be that 4-hour. Same over here on NASDAQ. That's what I would expect. You guys ever go to bed at night and you just wonder if you forgot how to trade? And then you wake up in the morning and you see the live markets and then you remember how to trade? Does that make sense? And you feel like you just want to study more? And like, holy shit, I might have forgot how to trade. Like, what if I forgot how to trade them all? Does that make sense? Anybody else feel that? That was me last night. Well, it shows you, Pluto, who I was taught by, because TJR was my mentor. I was in the 3.0 or something like that, the 3.0 blueprint or whatever it was called. But that was like 2.5 years ago. So it shows you who I got taught by. Because whenever he has a bad month, I'm not saying I'm like he's a better trader than me, of course. At the moment, he's got a lot more capital, but it just shows you who I learned from. Yeah, it happens to me every day. No, that happens, Josh. I was tweaking out last night about it. I was watching my YouTube videos. That's why I post my YouTube videos, because even I just watch them. And I just like going back instead of back testing. I could just see the whole hour-long session and just see the slow candle movement instead of just clicking forward. And I was just watching my recaps. Especially if I watched the recap of how I lost on. Let's go to the dashboard. On the 5th of on Monday of January 5th, right? We also had. Let's go to it. ISM manufacturing PMI on a Monday. So I went back and watched that live. And the trade I took actually wasn't a bad trade. It was a good trade. But I should have waited for news. And I would have overall had the better direction of the trade. The trade was good before news dropped, but then news dropped and it just switched the direction. So that's why I really want to wait for news today. So we'll see. I want to check something actually too while we're here. What does my YouTube thing look like now? I switched it. All right, that looks fine. Yeah, I'm just going to stay patient right now, guys, and not chase price, because we've already moved 218 points. Overall draw, I really want to target that 4 hour for today, especially on ES. ES is the leading to that 4 hour draw. But I would love to see a retrace. I would love to see a retrace. Maybe news can give us that retrace. But if not, I'll let today roll and let it go. We don't have that, do we? No. Alright, just keep pumping, baby. Just keep pumping. Just keep doing your thing. Just keep moving for us. What up, Nobi? How you doing? See, we got a good little group here to go private. I think there's enough people. There's enough. This is plenty. Boop, 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 boop. It looks like we're going to form this 15-minute fair value gap, so I'm just going to wait. I'm going to mark out these 5 minutes right now so they're just not all over the chart. And I'm probably going to mark out X out this hourly soon. I want to see if we get a reaction off of it. I would love to see a retrace. I would love it. I'd really love it. At least a 5-minute bearish candle closure. But if we just keep pumping, I'm probably not going to take anything today because I'm going to be smart this month and I'm not going to chase price. And we moved fucking 261 points. And the macro time frame just opened up, so we got 10 minutes till news, right? We get a countdown? Not yet. Let's see what news brings. Sounds good, Nobi. Have a good day. Wing Wong and Pluto, those discount codes worked, right? All right, good. Remember, guys, if you fail them or if you don't pass them by the month, you get charged. It's 50% off of the original price. So just keep that in mind. So it's up to you if you want to pay the monthly or just if you want to just try and pass them within the month. But if you fail them, make sure you cancel them. If you want to, yeah, basically. But again, it's still a free account. It's free opportunity to full port. What I'd do is I'd probably just see if you can find out, like, try and see if you could, like, hit 4 good setups or 3 good setups or something like that. Or 5 good setups. Because you're probably going to trade 5 times in a month. And just manage your risk based off of that. That's what I'd do. I wouldn't full port every trade. I'd give yourself at least 3 to 4 losses you could take in a row. But like take good setups, A+ setups. Not chase price, not just a 1 minute fair value gap fill. Like I bet you some people today that are like not experienced, they probably saw a retrace into this fair value gap and they ended up long in this and wrong in one. And then they wonder why they get cooked when it doesn't go in this direction. But still, 73-point trade. That's when bad habits get built. Can we get like a retrace dog or something? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now the countdown begins. As much as I want to pay attention to this 1 minute low right now because ES is about to sweep it. It didn't sweep it yet. I want to wait for news. We might form an SMT off of it. I'm going to X out this hourly high right now. I really don't give a shit about it. Oh, this is going to be hard. I got to wait for that news drop, dude. Still 190 points away on NASDAQ. 17 points on ES. You fucker, you're going to put an S&T in? You bastard. Don't do it. Don't do it. Fake him out. Fake him out. I'm not doing it. I'm not entering. I'm not entering. Fake him out. Don't you dare. It's gonna get crazy right here. $9.48. Yeah. Let's see if news pushes us up to that 4-hour high up here. 6991. We formed a 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe we can retrace into that. I would like that way better. I would love that. You serious, dude? Serious? Arrgh. You suck. That's some crazy shit, dog. Come on, give it to us, dude. Give us the retrace. Give us the 1 minute retrace. I'll be fine taking that on ES. Don't run it. Don't run it. This is too much for me. That's too much for me. Come on. Really? Damn, bro. That is fucked up, man. That is fucked up. Dude, that was nice too. That was nice. I just wanted a retrace because we came into this other fair value gap. I didn't want to enter off of here because the risk to reward would have been shit. I wanted that fair value gap fill first because I feel like if we respected that. That's booty hole. Oh, we're taking them. That's booty hole. And I don't want to take it on NASDAQ because you're going to form an S&T off of that probably. That's booty. Really? Oh, you suck. You suck. Oh, TP hit. Dude. These markets just really been testing my patience lately. Does NASDAQ want to come touch him though? We got 110 points. We have 15-minute fair value gaps below. Are we just gonna pump? Are we just gonna pump? Oh. Ugh. This entry would have been too crazy for me too, dude. 62-point stop. A 64-point stop. Even that with 2 micros is retarded. That's what I wanted on ES. 64 times 2 equals 128 times 2. At 2 micros, that'll be 256 per account. 256 times 20. I'll be risking 5.1K. Yeah. I'm fine not taking that run right there. Oh, that's painful. That would have been like a 1-to-1. I mean, I'm gonna X this out so it's not in the way. Yeah, we should. Let's go light the place on fire. So give me my 12 grand back. I can't believe we just didn't get that little we just didn't tap into the 1 minute, you know? Yeah, we had a 1 minute SMT, break a structure, inverse fair value gap, but we had this fair value gap right here. That's why I wanted that retrace. Why I really wanted that retrace there. Now does NASDAQ want these 4-hour highs? Because ES did take them. But we do have a 15-minute fair value gap below. You want to give us a retrace into something here? This is duty. Yeah, fucking... That's a good idea, Pluto. Listen, if we inverse this 5 minute, we're coming for the 15-minute fair value gap. We know that. But does NASDAQ want these damn 4-hour highs or not? We're just going to pump 102 points, 199 points. Yeah, we're coming for them. We're coming for them. But I'm probably going to miss out. What did I freaking say in the beginning of the stream too? Is those 4-hour highs? It's gonna be. It's back and go back and watch it. It's recorded. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna pump. Watch, we're probably gonna just come up, take out these 4-hour draws, form that hourly fair value gap, then we're gonna come up to here, come back down, retracing the hourly fair value gap, and we're gonna continue bullish. That's the plan. You scoundrel. Ugh, that was the entry for today, right there. Right here. Stop below this low. Target the highs. Can even leave a runner. You bastard. This is complete shit. Hopefully, we'll see. That's crazy too. Like it's like even off of this that we would have been at 0 drawdown. But this stop would have been they're just nuts. And we already would have moved 80 points. Fucking nuts, mate. Fucking nuts. Listen, once this 4 hour gets taken on NASDAQ, I'm gonna cut it for today. I wish. I wish. That'd be cool. People are probably going to take this trade right here. Some stupid shit like this would work today. See if we form a 5-minute SMT. If not, we're just going to continue higher. Yep. Are you serious? Are you serious? Some stupid shit like this would work today. Like some stupid shit like that. Five-minute SMT. Come fill the 15-minute for value gap. Yeah. Woo. Wow, you suck, dick. Big dick. All right. Well, not looking so hot. Yeah, not looking so hot. This is crazy. Both draws and liquidity get hit today that I want to target. Wow. Wow. I want to see the math on this. So I probably would have went in 5 micros. Three would have gotten taken off at that 4-hour high, 11.25. And 2 at 23. What's the math on that? Yep. 8K. Fucking. Yo, wacka. When are we just gonna start dumping? Nobody gives a shit about these 5 minutes anymore. Form it, mofo. Form it. Alright, now do something with it. Do something with it. Do something with it. Or don't. I'm being quiet, but I'm not probably not gonna trade. I was just thinking. What I'd really like to see, we formed a 15-minute S&T off that 4-hour high up here, right? We're coming down and filling in this 15-minute fair value gap. How price has been moving today, I would not doubt that we come just fill on this 15-minute and continue higher, right? That's why I'm not going to take a short. I'd rather take a long up to this 4-hour high that we already taken out on ES. But to do that, I'd like to see this 5-minute get swept or form an S&T off of this 5-minute. But we do have the potential to continue lower. Again, fill in this 15-minute fair value gap. But again, I wish the hourly was already formed before that. Because again, this could be a spot where we just form that 15-minute S&T. Now we're just going to continue higher. And yeah. So I don't see any S&Ts in play. So I'm not going to take something. This would have to get inversed. Yeah, let's see. It's a 41-point stop, a 1-to-1. Yeah, I'd probably rather just wait. I'd rather just wait. I think I missed out on the opportunity today. Even though this would be pretty nice, but I just don't think it's worth taking. In my opinion. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, J. Cole, I'm with you on that. Last one that took a trade exactly like that. I just I wanted to wait for that extra confirmation, and that fair value gap fell, and I would have entered, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. But we did form a 15-minute S&T, right? But we ended up forming a 15-minute fair value gap underneath. We have the potential to maybe fill this one, but I just feel like we're gonna end up creating the hourly by 11 a.m. Hey, I could share your stream in a Kit community. Help you get 200 followers, 100 viewers, $100,000 per stream. Yeah, I wish. It'd be nice. Appreciate it, though. Yeah, we inverse this fair value gap over here on ES. But there's nothing to target now on ES. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap. So should be a 36-point stop to target that 5-minute low. Be a little cray. I'd like to see a 5-minute break of structure or something for it. We did create a 5-minute low. We did create a 5-minute low in a 15-minute fair value gap. So actually, hold on a second. Hold on a second here. Let's see if we break structure or not. Again, we reacted off of equilibrium here with this bearish candle closure. It'd be a 31-point stop. You can do first take profit, second take profit. Yeah, that's final take profit. I want to see if we break structure first, or if we come down and sweep out this 5-minute low. That's my last chance of thinking if I'm going to take a trade. Pre-market was bullish. Off market open market. We'll see. Don't enter until we Exactly, J. Cole. Exactly. We saw the setup too. I know Wing Wong saw it too because he was like, "We need to get a retrace on that." All we need is that little retrace. Yeah, it doesn't really short. We set the 1 hour high inside a 4 hour gap. We swept the 4 hour high, Pluto. Version can take a trade now, but I'll wait for me to forget. I'm gonna go short. Hey, at least we saw it. At least we saw the trade before. That 15-minute S&T, guys, could just be pushing us into that 15-minute bullish for a value gap, too. If we form this hourly, I would expect that 15-minute to get pushed right through. But again, the 15-minute below, I don't think it wants to. It's just going to respect this one. Okay. All right, ES took these 5-minute highs. Yas is in it. You targeting that 4-hour high. Let's see if we form a 5-minute SMT now. We have a 15-minute SMT off the 4-hour high, off of this 4-hour high. And that high still hasn't gotten taken yet. So let's see if we form that 5-minute SMT now. And then we've 17 minutes to that hourly candle closure. Break even save, man, that's crazy. So you manage it like that, brother. Good managing it like that. So now we have a 15-minute SMT. Now we're going to be forming a 5-minute SMT in 24 seconds. Interesting. And that hourly fair value gap forms in 15 minutes also. Yay. 4 to 5-minute SMT. Everything's telling me price wants to go down. But does it want to take this 5-minute low and then continue higher and take out that 4-hour high? What do we want to do? What do we want to do? I really want that hourly fair value gap to form. But if we dump, we're going to go straight through that 15-minute. But I want to pay attention to this 5-minute low. Is now the time for a retrace. We break structure on the 1 minute. Yep, we did. Broke structure on the 1 minute. All right, we took this low. This is what I'm going to pay attention for right now. I want to see if this is where we react off of to continue higher. But if we break structure and close below this low, I'm going to look for potential shorts. I'm not saying I'm going to take a trade yet. Because again, it's a little bit later already. So, but we got the 11 a.m. macro open up soon. And this hourly closes in 10 minutes. This is where I want to see if we're going to form an S&T off of and continue higher and take out that 4-hour high. NASDAQ broke structure. ES hasn't taken it yet, though. Once ES... Okay. We might have potential. NASDAQ's the leading index also. ES is creating equal lows. Ruh-roh. Come on, guys. Let's see. ES created equal lows also. What are we thinking here? .21 stop. 21 stop. It could be. It could be a 21 stop. Not entering yet. Need more confirmation, dude. Not just taking a trade. Need more confirmation. What is crazy is ES does have equal lows. So. Got away. 1044, 1044. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God, we formed it. We formed a 1 minute SMT. I'm going to go for it. I'm just going to go in 3. I'm going to trust it. I'm going to trust it. This is stinks. This stinks. Break even's this low. We formed the 1 minute SMT. Come on, baby. Bottom of that fair value gap, 799. Oh, we hit our break even level. I gotta go break even. I gotta go break even. I don't want it, but we got to. I'm gonna secure one here, and I'm gonna go break even. That's my break even level. I secured one here. And I'm going to go for this. That's what I'm going for. I'm going break even. Can we get a run? Can we get some runners here? Can we get some runners here? Oh, I want this. I want this. I want this. Let's go. Come on, hit it. Don't reverse on us. We need some runners here. All right, TP2 hit. TP2 hit. TP2 hit. Oh, I got my stop loss above this, a little bit above break even. A little bit below break even. I want to form this 1 minute bearish. We formed it. Can we get our last runner down? I got it at 9,950. 9,975 I got it at the end of the 15-minute fair value gap. We're at the 50% level of the 15-minute fair value gap. Now this is a potential reversal spot. If it wants to dump, we're going to continue here. Let's see if we can get a runner. Let's see if we can get a runner for once. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. We got our last runner in play. Can we get a runner? We took those equal lows too on ES. We took those equal lows on ES. And we're about to form that hourly fair value gap. Can we get a runner? Can we get a runner? Can we get a runner? Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get a runner for once. Oh, I could take this shit right now. It'd be a good day. I'm holding it. I'm letting it run. But again, we took those equal lows on ES, and then we reached the 50% level of this 15-minute fair value gap. This is a potential reversal zone. Yep. Let's see if we want to respect this 1-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we want to respect it. I have my stop loss at 25852. Let's see if we want to respect this 1-minute bearish. Let's see if we want to respect it. Oh, let's see if we want to respect it or not. Some sellers kicked in there. Let's see. I'm at break even, so it's risk-free off the table anyway. Let's see if we can get this here. I would love this. I would love this reaction off of this 1 minute. I would really love this. I would really love this. Come on. Let's do it here. Let's do it here. Come on. I would really love this. This would be a good feeling. Come on, baby. I would really love this. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Don't reverse here. Don't take that low and go. I want you. Come on. We want you. We're reaching that 5-minute fair value gap too. Oof, I don't like that. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We have faith. We have faith, NASDAQ. You want to come down and fill in that hourly gap. You want to. We have faith. Come on, don't do me dirty again. I want this whole 15-minute fair value gap to get filled. That's what I want. I don't like the reactions off of it, but again, we're break even. We've already secured a good amount of profit. I'm going to put my take profit at 804. 804. 804. Ah! Oh, we were up 4K at that point right there, too. If we hit our take profit, we'll make around 4K. Right now, we're up around $150 per account. 150 times 20, it's 3,000. If we get stopped out at break even, we'll make probably around $100 per account. So 2K. So 2K is already secured. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get a runner here. Let's get a runner. We've been working on letting my trades run. Let's get a fucking runner. All right, guys, I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to cut it. I'm done. I'm sorry. That's a lot of buffer room back for me, guys. I'm not gonna risk it for a couple more points. I just made $170 per account. Patience, patience, patience. Yeah, I know, Pluto, but I'm down fucking a good amount. We're still in a 15-minute fair value gap where we could reverse. But again, am I going to risk it for a couple more points? What is it? It's literally 10 more points with one micro. I'd rather secure what I got right now, dude. Even though I probably should have held it, and it's going to dump now to the, like, this was full take profit. And watch, it's going to dump. You know, he does it to me. I'm just going to take what I got, though, dude. You can be mad at me if you want. I'm going to take what I got. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Listen, I wasn't even supposed to trade today after how price action was looking. This was full TP. I still hit a 40-point trade or something like that. Let's see. Final take profit was 25871. 25871. 87. No, 2587. Oh my god, look at this shit. It's gonna dump. Yeah, 2587 was my final take profit. So I still hit a 41-point trade compared to 56. So I hit a 41-point trade compared to a 56. Oh my god. A 56-point trade. How much is that with one micro? 41. 56 minus 41. That's 15 times 2. So I missed out on $30 per account. Yeah. Good job, Wing Wong. I missed out on $30 per account, guys. I'm in deep drawdown. I took the trade. Now we have $2,000 of buffer room now. That gets me back a lot of money. Like, you got to understand my point of view there. I took the trade and I accepted it, but we weren't supposed to trade today. We weren't supposed to. Look at this. I already got edged. Let's see if I would have gotten edged. We formed that hourly fair value gap below, but look, we were right. We formed that 1-minute SMT. That's what the entry, because we formed a 5-minute SMT, a 15-minute SMT, and then we respected equilibrium and a 1-minute SMT. That was the entry. Stop loss was right here, 19 points. So I still hit a 1 to 2.2 RR, guys. We still hit a 1 to 2.2. So I'm fine with that. We would have hit a 1 to 3 here, but it's okay. It's all right. I went in 3 micros on that trade. We still have 40 points. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it for the day. You're on minis? Oh. I was a small little scalper. Look, we made $172. Woo! No, hold on. It's something's glitching. Oh God, guys, that's a little confidence booster. Listen, I'll explain it in the trade recap. We let that last runner run. I put it to break even. We had our first take profit here, second take profit here, and our third take profit was all the way down here. But we were reacting off of we're at the 50% level, 15-minute fair value gap. Again, we have potential to reverse. We took out the equal lows on ES. I'm just gonna take what I was given today, and this was my break even right up here. My break even was at a little bit below my entry, so I would have been just close to getting stopped at break even. This was full entry if I let it run. But look at ES. ES already filled the whole thing. Look, we would have been stopped at a break even. That's why I just got to keep trusting myself, dude. I took what I was given there. It's just it was a potential reversal zone, in my opinion. If we were going to go through that fair value gap, we would go through it with force. And I just didn't like how we were reacting here. I would have been stopped at a break even. My break even was at 258.50. I would have been stopped at break even. Why are my full trades not loading, dude? Hold on. That's 14. So we might have made around 3K. We might have made around 3K. That's only loading 14 accounts. Hold on. I don't know what's going on right now, guys. TradeZella is like glitching out. I'm just going to do the math on my phone. What's 171 times... Oh, there we go. Reload. Yes! 3.4K. And we would have been stopped out of break even. Imagine they forgot the copy. You know, I make sure every day. Yas, I've done that so many times, dude. Hey, we got Trisha in here. What up, Trisha? We hit a trade. This was my full take profit, though. I moved my last runner. I ended up taking profit, so I'm gonna X this out here. This was the full trade, a 1 to 2 RR. YouTube, you see it? No fake shit. Made $170, $171 per account. Made 3.42K today. But that's why you trust yourself. That's why I made this Discord private. Because again, I don't know, man. I took what I was given. I wasn't greedy today. We hit our 1 to 2. We were at a 50% level of a 15-minute fair value gap. We still have that 4-hour high above. We moved over how many points today? We weren't even supposed to take a trade. We moved over 390 points today. Yeah, I expect this hourly fair value gap to get filled. But again, if we were going to move through that 15-minute fair value gap, it would have been with force. This could be another retrace right here, and then it could continue lower. But getting back $170 per account on my buffer, guys, that gives me more room to breathe. So I just think I made the smart decision in that choice instead of trying to put more risk on the table to make $30 more per account. In my opinion. So, simple 30 carry. Wing Wong, you take that on NQ or ES? ES, we had those equal lows. That's why I took my first take profit at that break even. Because we had those equal 1-minute lows. Once that was hit, we were at our break even with this candle. I ended up getting my first take profit at 258.38. So right here, right at the break even. So break even was a 1 to 1 to 1 basically. Second take profit and third take profit. We're down here for 1 to 2. There we go, guys. That's why we stay patient, though. We caught a little bit of a retrace on that big giant move up. 15-minute SMT formed, 5-minute SMT formed. We stayed patient. We broke structure on the 5-minute time frame. We scaled down to the 1-minute time frame. Then we ended up forming a 1-minute SMT. Respected equilibrium. We respected equilibrium. Entry. Bing, bada, boom. Right there. Don't get better than that. Don't get better than that. All right. We cool? I'm going to end the stream here. I'm going to end the live here. We ended up